Turkish economy left the worst behind. Finance Minister. Turkey. US criticism of Russian S-400 deals goes too far. 10 Palestinians arrested in West Bank raids. Hamas is awaiting Israeli response on truce. Syrian opposition accepts interim leader resignations. PKK, YGP and Daesh terror clash follows broken deal. Iranian president visits Baghdad for talks. 3 Egyptian soldiers killed amid Sinai operation. Erdogan most popular foreign leader in Kuwait polls. Germany stands by its responsibilities in Afghanistan. Erdogan and Modi discuss Pakistan-India border incidents. India says key conspirator of Kashmir bombing killed.